This is the second part I will introduce how to disable the feature. Okay. First, disarm, and then you open the Cardot. This is green cable, negative. So I touch the ground. This is ground. Okay. You will hear BB sound from the relay click sound from the main unit. The secondly, okay, second step. Thirdly, hold it, let engine running. Okay, this is third step. And the fourth step, use this cable, this foot brake cable, orange black touch 12 power. 5 times you will hear BB sound, and this feature is disabled. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. BB sound. Okay, this feature is disabled. I remove green just like you close the Cardot. Okay. Okay. Stop. Okay, stop. Now I have disabled this feature. Okay. Let us check if this feature is disabled or not. Let us prove that. Unlock. Start. Okay, running. Engine running. This is foot brake. On the black cable. Wait almost 10 seconds. And then you press foot brake. If it moves, my operation is failed. If it doesn't move, it means my operation is successful. Okay. I touched 12 power. It never moves because I have disabled successful.